Docker logs erroneously appears empty until container stops. When running a Docker container that calls a Python process, running docker logs ###### will return nothing, despite events happening inside the container which emit to stout. Nothing appears in the logs until I run docker stop ########, in which case the expected output is returned. The same is true with docker logs fshop ######, nothing appears, even when expected, until after the container is stopped. This is very cumbersome for debugging. Why might this happen? Is there a setting I can change to ensure the logs are updated in real time?
This might be happening because stout and stare are buffered streams. When interactive, stout and stare streams are line buffered. Otherwise, they are block buffered like regular text files. You can override this value with the U command line option. Try adding the U flag. Or, as pointed out by David Mays, you could set the Python unbuffered environment variable and achieve the same result. You could also flush stout every time you call print. Alternatively, see the logging module.
If you want to support this channel, please share, like, and subscribe.